Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by loading the essential packages, Metaphor and Meta plus Tidyverse for cleaning, because you need analysis and manipulation tools together. Next, import your study-level CSV and create columns ID, ye effect size, and Roman 6 variants. Once done, inspect effect directions and units, mismatches bias estimates. You should remove or flag missing cells and outliers, then compute or convert reported statistics into ye and Roman 6 so the model can run correctly. This prepares you for modeling. You fit a random effects model with RMA to account for between-study variance because fixed effects often underestimate uncertainty in meta-analysis. Once fitted, examine heterogeneity metrics, Q-statistic, I2, and tau squared to understand inconsistency. Then produce forest and funnel plots to visualize effect spread and potential bias. If you have study-level predictors, add them as moderators via mods, and interpret coefficients. This explains why effects vary. Make sure to use robust or cluster options when dependencies exist. You finalize results by extracting pooled effect, 95% confidence intervals, p-values, and heterogeneity stats, because these are what readers need. Then run sensitivity checks, leave one out analyses, and influence diagnostics to ensure no single study drives conclusions, and use trim and fill cautiously for bias exploration. Export cleaned tables and publication-ready plots with Broom and ggplot2. If the model fails to converge, try alternative optimizers, increase iterations, or simplify mods. That is the single key.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.